Morning guys, March 30th, 2026. So now we got a call from somebody, kind of a family member type of thing. And got a problem with the drain on his lavatory sink. What's been happening over there is a little lever that goes in there that lifts the pop-up up. Well, what happens is that little arm ends up rotting away in there, and then, you know, when you move the arm up and down, it don't lift the pop-up up because it rotted away or broke off. So I've been there before a couple of years ago, and what I usually do is I have done this in the past. Take it apart. It's got a little ball on like a, you know, a metal shaft. You could tap that shaft in on a vise and push that little shaft up, you know, along the ball to bring it in more, and it will work. You can reattach it, but usually if they rot off, it's made from inferior metal, you know. They shouldn't rot off. Sometimes I save extra ones. I got them in the truck. I'll see what's in there and see if I got an extra one in the truck. If I don't, I usually just tap the rod in, put it back together, and kind of a freebie anyway. I know this guy, so I don't like to really charge him. Kind of a family member, so if it's a freebie, I try to, you know, I'll do what's best over there. If I have a used one that's the same size, I'll replace it. If not, we'll modify what's there. I know it's not a regular chrome pop-up. It's one of those chrome nickel color. So if it was a regular pop-up chrome, I have them in the truck, but I don't stock the chrome nickel ones, the pop-up assemblies. So I don't have the chrome nickel ones in the truck. I should probably stock them, but I don't. Most people have regular chrome faucets. I only can stock so much stuff in the truck. I mean, I got so much shit in here, it's overwhelming. Well, only could carry so much stuff. Yeah, it's still in there. What are you talking about?
That'll lift right out of there.
Yeah, so what's the problem?
It doesn't work. You try and work the bloody thing,
Well, it's just on an angle, that's all. It's still in there.
Yeah?
It won't work?
No, you try and close it, then it's leaking, and you play around, then it's jammed in there. You have to pry it out of there.
Alright, we'll have to attach it. I'll have to attach it.
Want a cup of coffee or something?
Oh, I'm alright. I'll have to reattach it, that's all. If I can. So that thing didn't rot off. I thought it did, but I think last time I left it unattached so you could last time I left it unattached so you could take it out and clean it, right? Is that what happened?
I think that's what you did, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna have to attach it this time, seeing you having issues. Something was up with it last time, I remember it was.
So what day did you make that pea soup?
Oh, I made it Saturday. Friday night into Saturday. Saturday night into Sunday. Come on, good. I added different stuff to it this time. I added, you know, the peas, the homemade corn, and the
said you
the
added
ham, and then I added
you said
onions, green peppers, and
linguiça.
linguiça. I kind of cooked all that stuff first, you know.
Yeah.
It's got to be tight enough where it's not going to leak, you know.
Yeah. Exactly.
I have a problem with the IRS. I sent all kinds of money in, and they cashed all my flipping checks, and they're saying I didn't pay.
Typical.
Huh?
I said that's typical.
You think so?
Yeah.
I never had that problem before. I'm having it now, though. I got proof that they cashed all the flipping checks, you know? And they're saying I owe the money again.
As long as you get all that proof, then yeah.
Well, it ain't. Yeah, it is lifting, but it seems like it's not lifting, but it is lifting. I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit more so it comes up more. Adjust it so it comes up more. If I can get in there. I pay enough for these fuckers, you know? I don't want to give them any more than I have to.
Yeah, they take enough as it is.
Ridiculous. The amount that I send in. Alright, it's popping up more now. It's popping up higher. That's going to probably be better. It's popping up higher now. I made some adjustments on it.
Yeah.
So it won't leak. Giving more lift.
Yeah.
That's what you need, more lift.
This looks better.
Yeah, definitely works better. Have you did anything with the snow blower? No.
No, they haven't addressed that yet. Of course, now that the pressure's off, that the winter from hell is finally over. You sure you don't want a cup of coffee or anything?
Yeah, maybe. Not leaking, so that's good.